Hi guys!
Hi.
Rice is a great substitute for pasta or potatoes and a great source of carbohydrates, which means energy for your body. The biggest problem is how to cook perfect tasty rice. It's easy and I'm going to show you 3 methods using a covered pan or saucepan, rice cooker and a steamer. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Rice is very easy to cook once you know a few tips. All these methods are simple and reliable. Let's go cook some rice. If you like this video, please do leave a comment on your experience. I need your feedback, guys. So, for the rice cooker, I have a small rice cooker that I can cook for 1 cup. So before you cook the rice, you always wash the rice first. 2 or 3 times until the water is clear. We wash the rice to get rid of the excess starch. You need to follow the instruction from the rice cooker to tell you the level here, how much you need to put the water in. Jasmine rice, white rice. And then we put the lid on and turn the rice cooker on and then select to the jasmine rice and then place cook, and that's it. You can leave the rice cooker to steam the rice. And the benefit to using a rice cooker, when the rice cook, the rice cooker still warms your rice. Okay, we use 1 cup of rice, jasmine rice. So first of all, you need to wash the rice for a couple times until the water running clear. In any methods, wash the rice first before you cook it. So I will cook the rice in this bowl. Okay, we done the washing. You will using 1 cup of water for each cup of rice. For the steamer, you need to boil the water in the pot first before you steam the rice. You can use any steamer. They have tray with the holes, or you can use a cheapest one that I used to steam the sticky rice before. Need some water in there. The water is already boiled and I put the tray in and then the rice in the bowl. So I add some drinking water in there. 1 cup of water for each cup of rice. And then put the lid on and set the timer for 30 minutes. Cook the rice in a pan with the covered or the saucepan with the covered. First of all, if you haven't got the stand to put it in the pan, you can use the foil. Just squeeze it together and then fold it in the circle. The bottom of the bowl is not poking out through this foil. For this method, we boil the water first The water is boiled, so put the rice, the bowl on the foil, and then add water. 1 cup of water for each cup of rice. Then put the lid on and set timer for 30 minutes. Rice, 30 minutes passed. So, shall we check? Whoa! Wow! Really nice. Rice cooker. Ta-da! Oopsie daisy. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Another bowl. So I will test all the rice from 3 methods. This one from the steamer. Perfectly cooked. This one from the rice cooker. This one from the covered saucepan or covered pan. They taste the same. And there you go. You have 3 great methods to cook your jasmine rice.